My name is Yusuf, Ssessanga. I come from Iringa Living Lab, and my colleague here, she'll introduce herself. I will briefly talk about the background of Iringa Living Lab, and then my colleague will tell you about what is happening now. We started early last year. It basically came out of, there was a project in Iringa between a university, Tumaini University, and a primary school called Ukombozi, where the university helped the school to get computers from a certain organization called One Laptop Per Child. And then that partnership was working quite well. And TANZICT came and saw what was happening, and they felt like it was a good foundation to build a living lab. So that's how the idea came about. And early last year I joined as a volunteer. We started moving around, and personally I wasn't so sure where we were going, and but I felt like, okay, this is the kind of thing, because we're talking about innovation and all those kinds of things, and said, okay, let me stick in here and see what happens, and started meeting people, talking, coming for meetings like this, and finally mid last year we came to a workshop here, and I can confidently say, I think that's when I felt like now we have started as a living lab, because it was very enlightening. You remember we had the Rennie who was presenting in the other room, and a couple of other people, and I felt like we are now starting a kind of got an idea. And then a few weeks later, Sanna joined us, and we've been working together up to today. She will tell you more about what has been happening. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Sanna. I come from Finland, and I ended up in here to volunteer at Iringa Living Lab by coincidence. And now I can say maybe that after 7 months I have some kind of an idea what a living lab is, but when I came here I didn't even know what it means. But what we are doing now, we give trainings on social media for both just ordinary people in Iringa, but also for disabled people and for the deaf. We also are planning on entrepreneurship training. We have had a workshop where we brought people together from the government, from NGOs, and from the community. Are we doing something else right now? Probably not right now, but we are planning on several things. What challenges we do have? It was 3 challenges, I think. I think the biggest challenge right now is to find good people from the community to work with us in Iringa Living Lab, so that it would be sustainable. We have had a bit too broad focus so far, so that's one challenge, how to focus on the right things. And then the third challenge is maybe to find our own space where we can work. It was one success story. Maybe it's working with people with disabilities, and we have been able to bring together one NGO who was not that willing to work with a group of deaf secondary school students earlier, but when we started doing it, now they are willing to take the lead on it too. So maybe that's one good success story.